another exciting episode on Zoke Kitchen. We've had amazing chefs with amazing personality come here and kill it for us. They've cooked a blast for us here on the show. We've tasted foods that we never knew of. We've tasted food that we've never heard of. I, for one, have tasted food that I have never known or heard of, and it's been a thrilling experience for me. And it has been a learning process. I hope you've been learning. I hope you've been recreating. I hope you've been using the hashtag Food with Zoke Kitchen. It's been fun in here, and I hope you've been having fun as well. So today we have an amazing chef in the building. This chef has so many skills added to her cooking skills. She has a very beautiful name, a striking name at that, and that makes it even better. Like, I can't wait to meet her. I can't wait to see what she has in the menu for us. So guys, let's make welcome the beautiful, delectable, gorgeous woman of many colors, of many skills. Let's make welcome Chef Butterfly. Welcome, darling.
Hi, how are you?
A great pleasure to have you here. You
so
look
much.
beautiful.
Yourself,
I mean, are you a chef?
Mm-hmm.
Are you a chef?
Is this your job?
I don't know.
Is this your job?
No.
Are you sure? Okay, we'll see about that.
So, Butterfly, I've been telling the audience that you are a lady with different skills and colors. Please, we would love to hear your portfolio.
All right, I'm the Butterfly of Lagos. By name, Tunaisa Talami, and I am a university student of, mass communication. I am a chef.
Okay.
So first of all, let's put a serial entrepreneur.
Okay. Serial entrepreneur. She
Okay.
does a lot.
A lot. So
Yeah.
I'm a chef. I'm
Okay.
a fashion designer, makeup artist. I am a masseuse.
Okay. Whoa, guys, I love the part. Continue.
Then even I forget my job at times.
That's what happens when you're a master of all. She's not that jack of trade, master of none. She is jack of all trades, master of all. We can do it. Ladies can do it. You can do everything in the world and still be good at it. So
True.
she's here today to show us one of our many talents, and that is cooking.
Yes. This.
I'm seeing so many things on this
Table.
and I want to know, what are you making for us?
All right. So I am a part of that is that I'm a good freak for health and diet, which is very, very important. So I had to work with something that we both know it's healthy and it's made of. It's diet. It's the lifestyle. It's my lifestyle.
Okay.
So today I'm making unripe plantain and catfish pepper soup.
Whoa.
Yes.
You know how I feel about food, especially when it's not the regular things that we eat.
All
So
she cares about is she wants to eat the
I
pot.
want to eat it.
She wants to eat the pot.
I
And she
want
will
to
not
eat
it. Will
it.
stay. You have to eat.
That's a lie, guys. Okay, so what are the ingredients? What are we using to make this?
So the major purpose for this meal is the catfish,
Okay.
unripe plantain.
Okay.
These are seasonings and herbs and spices, from onions to garlic, ginger, crayfish, pepper, bell pepper, tomato, salt, thyme, Cameroon pepper. I call this the efirin. People call it what's the
Scent
English
leaf.
scent leaf?
Okay.
This is efirin. This is catfish spices or pepper soup spice.
Okay.
This is curry, and we have seasoning cube.
Okay.
Right.
All right, guys. She has shown us the various ingredients to make unripe plantain and catfish pepper soup. So, guys, I'll allow her right now to do her thing. I wouldn't want to disrupt her. So let's allow the beautiful, the wonderful Chef Butterfly cook us a blast in this kitchen.
You are welcome.
Okay, do your thing,
Voila.
girl. Chef Butterfly will be taking us through the step-by-step procedure of making this amazing dish. So, Chef Butterfly, what are we about to do?
All right, okay. I think you have to help me.
Okay, I'm here. I'm here to help you.
All right.
Be assistant.
So, our catfish goes into the main pot we're going to use to cook this amazing dish.
Okay.
All right, so there's my catfish. Okay. And then here comes the seasoning part. So
sorry, the catfish has been washed already.
yes, it has been washed. And I
What
have
did we
boiling
use
water.
to wash it?
All right. So normally you could use lime, lemon, or you could use salt. But my mom would say, "Yeah, low salt." So
What does that mean?
that means you have to use salt.
Okay, okay.
So and then it also helps to season the fish, like to preserve the fish.
Okay.
Then partially you're seasoning it already, so you don't have to use too much already.
Salt when you're trying to season.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Guys,
now-
you heard that? Lime, lemon, salt. Those to watch a catfish, because I feel like if you use those things, what those smell, yeah,
Like
it dies off, right?
It depends on how long the fish has been kept before killed. Being
Okay.
killed, and then is it the preserved one or the fresh one?
Okay.
So they're
all of
different-
that you put into consideration.
Yes, you have to consider the type of fish you want to use to cook.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Do your thing, girl.
Then I use my seasoning cube.
Okay.
Then I have a small spoon. Like a
I
teaspoon.
told you I'm here for you. Send me. Use me. I am your apprentice.
This is my curry.
Okay.
Curry goes in a little, not too much though, because we still want to keep the thing intact.
Okay.
Then thyme. I'm a fan of herbs. Sometimes I used to roast my herbs. Sometimes I
Okay.
use rosemary. Depends on your vibe.
Okay. Remember, guys, she says she's all about healthy living. All her food are the correct diet you need. So everything she's using here, tested and trusted.
Can I have the grater, please?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. All right.
Okay.
So I'm going to grate my garlic.
Okay. Fresh. Everything fresh.
That's how stars do.
Yes, that's how stars do.
In case you're a fan of garlic, like I am.
Yeah, me too. I love
Yeah.
the scent it gives.
Exactly.
Okay, but if you're not, you don't have to put so much, right?
But this one is just.
But do you have to put at all?
Do you have to put at all? Depends on the person. There's some people who don't like the scent of garlic, nor ginger or onions.
Okay.
But to bring out the natural, the refreshing version of catfish, I don't think you shouldn't go without garlic. Or some people prefer the powder one, the one that don't have to see.
Oh, okay. I actually prefer the fresh one. I do. It gives this different feel.
Just the right amount of
Okay.
ginger.
Keep this here.
Yes, should do.
Okay.
Thank you. I have to give this over there.
Alright. Like I said, I'm to be used today. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and on Facebook at Zoke Kitchen. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Zoke Kitchen. We love you guys. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you, thank you. And our onions are chopped.
Yeah, in case you're a lover of onions like me, I think one thing I eat most is onions. Why? I don't know. I just
I
love
can't eat it fresh, but I love it
I
in
love
food.
No, I'm the type that will actually take whole onions and eat without.
I can't do that. Nah.
I actually do that.
First, I'm scared my breath will be nasty. I can't have that. I can't even breathe my own air if I try to eat that.
Well, do you-
Talk less of someone else breathing it. No. So I'm just going to stay away from onions that is fresh, and I'm going to eat it as much as I want in the meal. I'm going to put it generously if I'm cooking. But eating fresh, no way.
All right. So this is our onions. So I guess you know how to. You have to
Okay.
do this.
Mix,
Yes,
so everything
properly.
gets into it.
Exactly.
Alright.
Sometimes I'll tell people it's best to pierce the fish. So in case you're the type that actually have to cook immediately, the seasons can actually penetrate through the
Okay, when you say pierce, what do you really mean?
meat. Can I have a fork, please?
Thank you. Yep, you can.
All right. So with your fork, you could pierce through it. You know,
Okay.
make sure it's pierceable. And then if you have a knife, you can brutally do so.
Okay, so that everything enters into
Exactly. So here,
Okay.
this knife is not. This fork is not sharp. Here it is.
it. Okay, so we get what you mean, Sha.
So this is how I marinate it. All right. So as I'm tasting this, I kind of prefer. I notice that it is sharp, and it's the adequate amount for it to actually
Okay.
penetrate due to the fact that I'm cooking it immediately.
Okay.
And for some people, if they want the better version of it, you can keep it open, like keep it marinated for 30 minutes, 20 minutes, depending on how long, on how sweet you want it.
Okay.
Sometimes you can leave for 2 days.
2 days.
Some people are like that.
With this quantity of seasonings you added?
Trust me, you'll love it.
Ooh.
And if it is grilled fish, it hits more.
Guys, it's the sassiness in her voice for me. It's the way she describes the meal. You could tell that it's her passion. You could tell that it's something she loves doing. You could tell that she has been doing this for the longest of time, and she knows the T's and the I's and the do's and the don'ts in this business. Yes, I love the way she properly describes it. I love the way she gesticulates about the meal. It's just soothing. It gives me a feel of assurance. I am so satisfied that I'm going to eat a healthy meal, and I'm going to eat it from an expert.
It's necessary that you cook on a low fire.
Okay.
Why? You don't fool the pot necessarily. The whole point is that you want to get the juice from the fish naturally.
Okay.
So whatever is in there, you will now determine the amount of quantity of water you put after for your
Okay, so there's no water in the pot right now.
There's water in the pot, but just enough for it to
cook
the fish, so we can get the natural juice from the fish.
So, Chef Butterfly, why are you trying to do other things? Let's gist. So how long have you been cooking?
The first meal I ever knew how to cook was amala.
Amala.
Yes, and
Are you serious?
It was during my teenage, because that was my dad's favorite food.
Okay.
So anytime my mom was out, because she was busy with her own business, he would make me sit down and turn it.
Are you serious?
And I was the type that was always home. I never liked entering the kitchen, but because of amala,
You entered the kitchen.
I entered the kitchen.
Okay, I saw you put the pepper, the tomatoes, crayfish, and onions together. Why is that?
I did that because it's what I'm going to use to spice up
the
catfish, and obviously I want to give it color, flavor, and just an original.
But the crayfish was already
blended, but I kind of prefer like a combination
all
of
together.
everything in one.
All right.
So
carry on.
I'm going to put water.
Okay.
Substantial, not too much.
So our food is almost ready, guys. At what point do you boil the plantain?
So for the plantain, since we already have boiled water, it's not going to take as much time as it would.
Okay.
So plantain is handy.
Okay, so we are just going to slice and start boiling immediately.
Exactly.
You boiled the water so you could just pour it inside
and then just leave it to boil. But here, I don't know how you would like your plantain. Would you like it cooked with the pepper soup, or you would like it separate away from the pepper soup?
For me, I love the privilege given to me. For me, I would love the plantain to be inside the pepper soup.
Okay, so in this situation, there are some people who boil the plantain first before they actually start cooking the pepper soup. I just don't feel the starch is necessary.
Whatever you prefer is fine by me. Your preference is my preference. Okay, guys, thank you so much for staying tuned to this point. So we are about to put our plantain into the pepper soup because my chef said she's going to do what I want, and I'm going to have it the way I want it. So don't you go nowhere. Like, share, and comment. Follow us on Instagram and on Facebook at Zoke Kitchen. Subscribe to our channel, Zoke Kitchen. Engage. Use our hashtag filled with Zoke Kitchen. We'll be right back. Don't you go nowhere. Welcome back, guys. I remember you telling us that you are all about health diet and proper living.
Yes.
So can you please tell us the benefits of unripe plantain and catfish pepper soup?
Okay, for people who are into the weight loss fit farm lifestyle, they will tell you that it's best for you to eat. The best source of iron and fiber is plantain, unripe plantain, either boiled or roasted. But the unripe plantain is not the type you eat if you're trying. It's not the one you'll be eating every day. For people like me, who eat plantain every day of their lives. After giving birth, it's healthy for you as a nursing mother. Also, catfish pepper soup or any kind of pepper soup is healthy if you want to. If you're trying to lose weight, if you have cold, catarrh, also stimulates appetite and also helps in hydration, because when you take pepper soup, you realize that you're drinking more water.
Thank you so much, Chef Butterfly.
You're
learned
welcome.
a lot. Oh, I love this. The thickness. Ah, I can't wait to have a taste of this.
You will.
Time to taste the amazing meal Chef Butterfly gave to us. And we have Amanda in the building. You know what she always comes here for. Food is good. Good food is good food. And good food is beautiful.
Especially from Zoke Kitchen.
Yes, especially from Zoke Kitchen, where we have chefs, beautiful chefs, great chef come. Okay, let's do this. No need for plenty. As in, okay.
This looks so nice.
Let me try the plantain first to be sure the seasoning got in. Everything got into the plantain. Now I'm going to go into the fish. Amanda, you're not saying anything, and this is what you always do. You will not talk because you're eating.
Wait first.
It's fine.
Is this food that is the topic for now? Food is big. This is good meal.
Now to the pepper soup.
Chef Timmy.
Okay, chef. What did you use? Apart from the things I saw, what did you use?
Love.
Ah, that's it. That's the last recipe we needed. Love. This meal was made with love, and we thank you for that. Please.
Thank you so much. I'm glad you like it.
Thank you
so much. I'm glad
Guys,
you
this was
like it.
amazing. If you want this meal, please tell them how they can get it.
Okay, so you can order a plate or a bowl, however you like it, from @butterflykitchen.romance, or you can message me personally at callme._butterfly.
You've heard from her, guys. All you have to do is follow her on Instagram and she will have your food delivered to you. Her handle will be displayed on the screen right now. And guys, don't forget to follow us on our social media handles on Facebook and on Instagram at Zoke Kitchen. On YouTube, Zoke Kitchen. Like, comment, share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. We would want to hear from you. Comment and engage with us in the comment section. Thank you guys for staying tuned. We love you so much and we love the love you're showing to us. Bye for now. Bye-bye.